Ang mood na sinatawag ay emotional state or feeling. So, mood na siya na problem. Feeling ang depression. Disorder refers to a physical or mental condition which is considered not normal or not healthy, or a disturbance or interruption of a normal function or functioning. So, it is a disorder of the emotional state or feeling, ang tinatawag na depression. So, what is the difference between sadness and depression? Are they the same? No. Because ang sadness na tinatawag is a normal emotion. It is a normal reaction to life's struggles, setbacks, and disappointments. Ang atong self-esteem or how we value and perceive ourselves is usually maintained or preserved. Hindi nawala. At saka yung painful feelings come in intervals. It occur several times with gaps or pauses in between. So hindi siya tuloy-tuloy. Yung mga gaps, ang pain na we feel during sadness. Ang depression naman is mental illness or a mood disorder. Ang sadness sa depression is very severe or extreme. It affects your day-to-day life and it interferes with your ability to work, to study, to eat, to sleep, and have fun. So, kung depressed ka, you feel helpless. Helplessness is inability to act effectively. So, feeling mo parang hindi ka na makatrabaho. You're no longer effective in doing your work or your obligations. Hopelessness. So, you feel hopeless. Parang nawala ka na ng pag-asa. Wala yung hope mo. And then worthlessness. Feeling mo wala ka na bili or wala ka na value as a person. And these are intense, persistent, with little or no relief at all. So tatlo lang tandaan nyo sa depression. Helplessness, you feel helpless. Worthless and hopeless. Wala ka pag-asa, feeling mo wala ka na value as a person. And you are helpless, feeling mo you're no longer effective in your work or in your obligations or whatever ang gusto mong ginawa before. You feel you are no longer effective. Tapos, there is prolonged lack or loss of interest sa work, sa study, or going to school. Yung hobbies mo before, ayaw mo na gawin, or wala ka na magawa, or nawalaan ka na o interest in doing those things, and you are very sad, depressed mood or severe or intense sadness, usually you have 2 weeks or more. Pag ang symptomani mo is 2 weeks or more, sadness, helplessness, hopelessness, and worthlessness, I think you have to consult because of this. Kung 2 weeks na siya, ang simptoma mo, it could be already depression. Okay? So depression is a public health. So depression is a public health priority. Bakit? Because it is a common illness worldwide with high prevalence rates. There are 222 million people worldwide who are suffering from depression. 4.4% in the community, 10 to 20% in primary care centers, and 10% to women of giving birth, or what we call postpartum depression. Because may mga babae, kasi nga after naman na sila, they could have depression. We call as postpartum depression. So, anong impact niya sa infant growth? Kung ang nanay mo may depression, or pagpanganak mo may depression ng babae, these are the effects sa bata. The infant are more likely to be at risk for delayed emotional development. the infant is 5 times more likely to be at risk for delayed language development. It would have negative impact on infant's cognitive or mental processing, development at 6 months and 12 months of age, and it would have negative impact on infant's motor development at 12 months and 18 months of age. Meaning, kung nagpanganak ang babae, pagkatapos nagkaroon siya ng postpartum depression or postpartum depression, maapektuhan yung anak niya because hindi niya maalagaan, hindi niya alam kung what her responsibilities because depressed siya.